Outside today, the weather is pretty quiet, so we got decent stuff going on. However, depending on where you are, now most of us not seeing any showers or storms, but way off to the northeast, you see those 10 lightning strikes now on live Doppler 10 radar. It means it's been picking up the pace a little bit. They're out of our viewing area to the northeast and moving off to the east a little bit more. So folks in northeastern Ohio getting a little bit of a light show. But look how isolated these little showers are out there this morning. No thunderstorms in our vicinity, but you go down into Fairfield County, down by Lancaster, and that one actually had a little more rain in it earlier than it does now. So that was kind of washing itself out here, but it's moving to the east a little bit. So is the one that's in parts of Hocking County, now to the south of Laurelville. And first two times we looked at it, it was much more impressive than this. Now that one is beginning to fall apart. Off to the north and east, everything's pretty light from southern Richland into a good chunk of Knox County here. Those are just turning into light showers. Now, as you look at the bigger picture, you can see this kind of line here. It's moving to the east. There's a cold front back to the west of this, and after this passes later on today, we'll see some clearing behind it for one thing. We're also going to see much less humid air move in. How about a collective... Yeah, you can give the AC a rest going into the weekend. Temperatures are going to be in the 50s in the morning, and it's going to be a lot less humid as we go into the day. So a few morning showers, some isolated thunderstorms possible here as well, but it'll be very hit and miss. Clearing skies for later today, but the best part again, far less muggy as we go into the weekend. Outside waking up early, 67 degrees, humidity is 81%. Winds are still light and out of the southwest. When the winds shift to the northwest this afternoon, that's when that cooler, drier air is going to begin to move in. Around the outer belt, let's see, 64, 65, 66, or 67. We've had one of those weeks where the temperatures have been very uniform, no matter where they've been. Some days in the low to mid 60s, some days in the mid to upper 60s. It's low to mid again this morning, 61 over at Newark, the cool spot. 63s from Mount Vernon to Delaware over to Marysville, and then you warm up coming south. London's at 65, Circleville and Lancaster both checking in at 66. Around the state, Portsmouth was 70 all morning yesterday, so 61's a little better there. It's actually warmer to the north, 65 at Mansfield this morning, 67 at Findlay, matching our reading, and 69 over at Dayton looks to be the warm spot. Planning your day still in the 60s at 9. By noon, we've just edged into the low 70s. Any showers should be gone by then. And again, they're very spotty this morning, about 71. We'll still have some lingering clouds then. And then it brightens up for this afternoon. The wind shift to the northwest. We're looking at a high in the mid 70s. Regional picture gives you a little hint of where the cold front is. The clearing, though, is back in northwest Indiana at this point, so we've got a while to go before that happens. Looking at the model, you see the showers moving off to the east this morning. Here we are at noon. Pretty quiet, and through the rest of the day, actually clearing skies, and it starts to feel much better as we head into the afternoon and evening. It'll really kick in for tonight when you can leave the windows open and temperatures back in the 50s tomorrow morning. Tomorrow's high about 76. Great start to, remember, Father's Day weekend. Sunday's Father's Day, we're talking mid-80s, but nice and cool in the morning with a morning low of about 55 degrees. Monday, chance for showers and storms returns. It's not convincing there, about 87. A little better chance for Tuesday, Wednesday, maybe into Thursday. Muggy air continues to be in place as well.